How to add arc animation in Wix Studio. So in order to add it, what we can do is we can actually select an image, a text, or a button to apply it with. For this case, I'll choose in here this image. Now click onto this open inspector icon and it should be able to open right here your inspector. Go right here into your animations and effects in order to see in here these categories that we can actually add it with. Now, in the arc option, you can find it under the entrance, hover, as well as mouse effects. For this case, I'll choose in here the entrance and click on add. Now, from in there, you can just scroll down and in here you can see this arc option that we can see right there. Hover and click on it and it should be able to show you a preview of what that animation should look like into the image. If you're satisfied, click onto this publish option in order to publish it already. So that's how you add an arc animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.